Hey guys, today I'm going to be making cracked peppercorn with black beans and green bell peppers on rice, with brown rice, my bad, and a side of grapes. overall, to be honest, the meal was really good. The most thing I enjoyed about making the meal was cooking it, because I love cooking in general. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hi there again. Today I'll be making a whole grain toast sandwich with egg whites and a side of veggies. Here are the ingredients we're going to use. First is going to be cheese, eggs, yellow bell peppers, green bell peppers, white onion, red bell pepper, and of course 100% whole wheat toast. First we have to cut up all the vegetables and saute them. Now that we're done sauteing the vegetables, now it's on to the eggs. Now the eggs are done, now it's for the toast. Since the toast is done now for the preparation. And here we go guys, this is the final presentation for it. Overall, it was a really good sandwich. The only thing I could think of as of now to make it better is to making it hold better, because at the last minute it started falling apart, so that was the only unfortunate part about it. Thank you for watching. Hi there again. Today I'll be making whole grain crepes with a berry medley and also a side of almond milk. First things first, these are the ingredients. First we got a berry medley, eggs, Cool Whip, and whole grain blended pancake mix. Okay. We're going to start off with the pancake mix first. Now that the pancakes are done, now it's on to the next preparation. And now we are finished. Oh, and I forgot, of course, almond milk. Who couldn't forget that? Also, here's the nutrition label. Well, I hope you like it. And the overall review for this dish was it was pretty easy. I liked it a lot, and it came out perfect. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hey guys again. Today I'll be making whole grain pesto pasta with grilled Parmesan chicken and baby tomatoes with a side of water and kale chips.
Guess what? Look at the color golden. Do you like these? No, look. Look at the What's inside? Look.
More candy water.
Where are they
Yes, no bragging.
First, we're gonna work on the kale chips. Now that the kale chips are done, and the tomatoes and green onions are chopped, now it's on to the chicken. Now we're gonna start cooking the chicken and the pasta. Now the pasta's cooked, and the fried chicken's cooked. Now it's on to the pesto. Now this is the final touch, kale chips, and the final dinner. Overall, the dish is really good because pesto is one of my favorite dishes of all time. So this was a real treat for me. And yeah, thank you for watching.